Welcome to English with Grandpa Grammar. Here's some English pronunciation tips to help you improve your speaking skills. Listen carefully to native speakers and try to imitate them as closely as possible. Record yourself and listen to how you sound and try to improve it day by day. Try some tongue twisters to help accustom your mouth and your facial muscles and your tongue to the English pronunciations and sounds. And this is the most important one of all, in my opinion, is overpronounce English words by yourself in your home or in your car like this. Pronounce the English words slowly and overpronounce them to accustom your mouth, your face, and your tongue to the different English pronunciations. This is probably the singular most important thing you can do to really improve your English speaking skills. If you enjoy the content of this video, please subscribe. Thank you.